Just installed an SSD and don't know what to do next? In this video, I will show you how to initialize and format your new SSD. And I will also be transferring games to my new SSD and updating the desktop icons. Stay tuned. As you can see, my drive is full. So I'm going to close that window and hit the Windows button on my keyboard and search for Computer Management. In this window, I click Disk Management and a new window will pop up prompting you to initialize the disk. I go with the newer GPT method and select OK. If you open a Windows file and view your drives, it will not appear. Now you will have to create a simple volume by right-clicking Disk and selecting New Simple Volume. A wizard window will pop up and click Next. The following window will ask you to specify size, and I plan to utilize the full size, so I leave it as default and select Next. The following window will ask you to specify drive letter. I picked G because I will be storing my games on this drive. I opened a file window so you can see it populate live. The following window, you choose a name. I went with gaming storage and hit Next. Then you are complete with the wizard and can select Finish and your drive will populate. Now we're going to open Steam to identify where our games are stored locally. Right-click one of your games, go to Manage, and select Browse Local Files. This will tell us where our games are stored locally, and I'm sure the process is similar if you use a different service like Battle.net or Epic Games. Now we can select our files to transfer and see what happens. I just realized I had Steam open, so I opened Task Manager and manually closed all the Steam applications. And now we're running through this data transfer. And we're done. As you can see, the first drive has more storage and our second drive has been filled. I'm going to close these windows and attempt to launch these games. So Steam just disappeared from my desktop and my games are not opening. So I will launch Steam from the Windows file. After I opened Steam this way, I was able to access my games from the desktop, no problem. Here, I will open up Cyberpunk and not realize I'm screen recording on my secondary screen, but you can hear the game launch. I'm going to close it out with Task Manager. I'm going to switch my main monitors and launch Forza 5. As you can see, the launch was successful. I'm going to close it and try to launch Fortnite next. Okay, no success and a different error. I will just try to open Epic Games from the Windows file. And I have the Fortnite launcher file location here to help me out. Looking around for it, it's in Win64, and I'm going to launch, and we have success. But we have an outdated shortcut, and Epic Games prompts me to fix now. I went ahead and did that, and while it did that, it went ahead and updated my Fortnite. And that's pretty much it for the game transfer. And what I did experience after I reset my PC was the icons disappeared. And the file location for those icons are in Steam, Games. You just copy that file location and right-click your missing icon and select Change Icon. Input the copied file location into the browser and select your icon. And that is it for this video. I hope you found it insightful.